This animal's starting to get hungry. He likes broccoli and cookies and crackers. That's all he eats. And he makes a mess of it cleaning up. That's why they hired a maid. He is now choking.
Come on.
No, I'm trying to go on my own.
Now he's getting a bit bossy because he only had a cracker yet today,
He's always.
says his foster sister.
I'm bored of webkins.
He is bored of Webkins.
Let's look at WWE.
He's now watching WWE. Very weird. Now he's thinking about what he's going to do in the future. I think I want to be a gas person who fills people's trucks. I'll make tons of money. Now he's looking at naked pictures of women. Now he's doing
Wrestling again.
Go on, boy.
says Jonathan. Says Sherry. Now he's walking like a duck because he's getting tired. He just came out of his cave and he's ready for some milk. There is his foster sister Ashlee drinking a lovely slushy.
Very good to do continue.
Says Ashlee. Now Jonathan's ready to get something to drink before he chokes to death off his cracker. He is now digging through the cupboards, looking for something for survival. Says his mother. He's now looking for some Oreo Dunkers, which is his staple diet. He takes a few and puts it back, sneaking away.
Wasn't you
Like an
that
acrobat.
hard to last night on the rollerblades?
Oh, is it? Yeah. Alright.
Hello. Here's a special guest star.
I'm sweating. It's warming.
Jonathan now puts the milk back into the refrigerator.
So wait till
He's
after dinner.
drinking the milk like a ferocious beast. Now
I
he's
know.
happy.
I said,
He's walking towards his room, looking at Sherry and the computer. Now he's walking back down the hallway, going to see the couch, his staple house, with enjoyment of the fan. He's now chewing vigorously, watching Days of My Life, chewing his cookie like a wild little pig. Now he decides to play with his wrestlers. He throws his wrestlers on the floor and decides to play his paper doll. No, his piano. Bye bye. Say bye bye to your wrestler.
okay.
Go in your room. He's now entering his room. The end.